Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by inspecting the zipper carefully. Check the slider, teeth, and tape for dirt, bent teeth, or missing stops. Once done, remove loose thread or debris with tweezers and make sure the slider isn't clogged. You'll need pliers and a graphite pencil ready. If the bottom stop is loose, prepare to replace it or pin the tape to prevent separation. This quick assessment tells you whether a simple lubrication will work or if a small repair is required next. You'll relieve stiffness first. Rub a graphite pencil into the slider or use mild soap. Work the zipper back and forth to spread lubrication. Next, if teeth are misaligned, use needle nose pliers to gently press them back into shape. Make small adjustments rather than forceful bends. Once teeth align, test the slider. If it still gaps, remove the old slider by easing off the top stop and slide a replacement on, then refit the stop. Make sure to test if you finish by securing the stops. Crimp metal stops with pliers or sew a durable stop so the slider can't run off. Once done, run the zipper through several full cycles under gentle tension to ensure smooth travel and correct seating of teeth. If you see recurring gaps or missing teeth, make sure you didn't miss a bent tooth. If problems persist, replace the entire zipper or take the item to a tailor. One tip: if it jams, back the slider gently rather than forcing it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.